Welcome to the top best. The best Polygel Nail Kit is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the nail industry, offering a durable and beautiful alternative to traditional acrylics and gels. Today, we're diving deep into this fantastic kit, exploring its ease of use, the stunning results it delivers, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover everything you need to know about achieving salon-quality nails from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Beetles Skin Tones Gel Polish Set, 6 colors. Get ready to elevate your nail game with this stunning collection. This set features 6 trendy, neutral colors perfect for any occasion. It's the ideal gift for yourself or a loved one. This set includes elegant pink, nude, and brown shades. These colors are perfect for creating stylish and modern manicures. You can DIY at home for a happy holiday. Beetles is a cruelty-free brand certified by Leaping Bunny. You can feel good knowing that no animals were harmed in the making of this product. It's safe for your nails. These gel polishes require curing under an LED nail dryer. Remember to use a base and top coat for the best results. The item is still sticky after curing. Enjoy a long-lasting manicure with perfect shine for 21+ days. Proper application with base and top coat is key. Please note that it is valid for 12 months after opening. This product is for nail use only. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If any adverse reaction occurs, seek medical attention. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This gel polish set offers a curated collection of the latest colors, perfect for any occasion. It's also a cruelty-free product, so you can feel good about your purchase. If you like to stay on top of the latest nail trends and want a long-lasting manicure, you should consider this set. What people say. This lasted weeks. The colors are beautiful and so easy to use. No streaks. No strong smell. Definitely followed the directions and used a UV lamp for the best outcome. No chips or breaks. My nail actually broke on the very end, but the polish stayed together. The polish goes on smoothly and cures well under UV with no streaks or issues. Each bottle provides a decent amount of polish, so should last a decent amount of time. Number 4. Makartt 100-180 Grit Nail Files. Introducing the Makartt Nail Files, perfect for professional and home use. These files are designed for removing gel top coats, shaping nails, and polishing surfaces. It's a great tool for various nail types, especially thick nails and toenails. This nail file set features 2 sides for different needs. The 100 grit side is ideal for removing acrylic and extension nails, while the 180 grit side smooths the nail edges. Remember, the side without text is coarser. The curved section makes it easier to file the sides of the nail. The rounded edge is great for filling near the cuticle. It feels comfortable in your hand and is easy to operate with both left and right hands. Made with top quality materials, these nail files are built to last. The 100 grit boards are sturdy enough for pet grooming. It's also gentle enough for baby nails. These nail files are easy to clean with water and soap or disinfectant. This ensures hygiene between uses, providing durability and longevity even with frequent use. New nail files may have sharp edges. Before using a new emery board, you can rub 2 files against each other. This will make it more comfortable to use. What we like. These nail files are designed for both professional and personal use, with different grits for shaping and smoothing. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, and the files are reusable, making them a sustainable choice. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use nail file for acrylic or natural nails, this is a great choice. What people say. They are sturdy and do not bend. The shape is comfortable in my hands. The grit is perfect for natural nails. Number 3. Morovan Polygel Nail Kit. This starter kit is perfect for anyone looking to get into nail art. It includes everything you need to create beautiful, extended nails. It's a great way to start your nail art journey. The kit comes with a variety of popular polygel colors. You'll find shades like white, pink, and nude, along with some fantastic gradient colors. This allows you to match your nails to any occasion. This kit includes a 48W LED lamp, base coat, top coat, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a nail art enthusiast, it has everything you need. It's designed to help you build strong and flexible nail extensions. With this kit, your nail extensions can last for about a month or even longer. You can easily shape the polygel on dual forms. It's an ideal gift for both beginners and professionals. To prevent the gel from sticking, dip your brush in a slip solution. This will help you shape the gel smoothly on the dual forms. When you're ready to change your style, you can file the gel down. We are committed to providing excellent products and services. If you have any issues with the kit, please contact us. We offer replacement or refund services, so you can shop with confidence. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started with polygel nails, including a UV lamp and various colors. It is designed to be easy to use, even for beginners, and the results are long-lasting. If you are a beginner looking to try polygel nails at home, this kit provides a convenient and comprehensive solution. What people say. The kit was very well packaged and still arrived sticky like something had been leaking inside. Everything was pretty much full though, and I was able to clean it up pretty easily, so beware when you open it and be somewhere near a sink where you can clean up. It comes with the needed lamp to harden the nails and almost everything else required to do it yourself at home. Number 2. SAVILAND Builder Nail Gel Kit. Introducing the SAVILAND Builder Nail Gel Kit, a complete solution for your nail art needs. This kit is designed for both beginners and professionals, offering everything you need to create stunning nail designs at home. The kit includes 4 beautiful colors: clear, white, light pink, and nudes pink. With these versatile shades, you can create a variety of looks, from classic French manicures to intricate 3D nail art. The possibilities are endless. This builder gel is perfect for extending and strengthening your nails. It's also great for creating French manicures and adding nail art decorations. You can easily showcase your unique style with this kit. Enjoy salon-quality results that last up to 4 weeks without chipping or peeling. The enhanced formula ensures your nails are flexible yet strong, maintaining a natural feel. Made with natural materials, this gel is safe and flexible for various nail applications. It's perfect for nail extensions, strengthening, repairing, shaping, and sculpting. You can achieve professional results at home. Remember, this builder gel has a thicker consistency, which is normal for shaping. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help. Enjoy creating beautiful nails with this kit. What we like. This kit offers a variety of builder gel colors, perfect for extensions, strengthening, and nail art. The gel is designed to be strong and long-lasting, ensuring your manicure stays flawless for weeks. If you are looking for a versatile and durable builder gel kit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The polygel is easy to use and it is very beginner-friendly. The kit comes with everything you need to do your nails. The dual forms are great and easy to use. Number 1. VENALISA 120 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set. This comprehensive kit includes 111 vibrant gel polish colors, 4 glitter colors, primer, base coat, and top coats. It also comes with a stylish VENALISA logo luggage and a color card to help you choose your perfect shade. This set has everything you need to create stunning nails. With proper application, this gel polish lasts for at least 28 days. The top and base coats ensure your nail art remains super strong and brilliantly shiny, without any chips or smudges. You can achieve professional results right at home. This set is perfect for both home use and nail salons. The colors are vibrant, and the included color card makes it easy to find your favorite shades. Enjoy incredible quality and achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. The brush is designed to be thick, smooth, and wide, ensuring an even application every time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can easily create beautiful, salon-quality nails at home with this kit. The new formula features rich pigments, providing a smooth and opaque application. The colors are incredibly vibrant, allowing you to create eye-catching nail designs. This ensures a flawless finish every time. This 120-piece kit comes in beautiful packaging, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. It's suitable for daily wear, special events, or any celebration. Give the gift of beautiful nails with this amazing set. What we like. This gel polish set offers an extensive range of colors, along with base and top coats, ensuring a long-lasting and vibrant manicure. The application is designed to be easy, making it suitable for both home and salon use. If you like having a wide variety of colors to choose from and want a professional-looking manicure, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the quality is great. I get no chipping. The color lasts until my next manicure. Para alguien que recién comienza es ideal porque tiene gran gama de colores, cálidos y fríos. Buen tamaño. Y buena consistencia y pigmentation. Se pueden aprovechar hasta para hacer diseños. I am able to use one coat and get a good even streak-free coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.